Srivastava teaching you physics of class 10th NCERT magnetic effect of electric current chapter 13. So in this lecture you will find the method of getting the direction of the force acting on a current carrying conductor kept in a magnetic field. Like this we have finished here. In this you have seen if the horseshoe magnet is there and in this there is a magnetic this a conductor is there, so electromagnet, so there is a force acting on this because it is an electromagnet and it is a magnet. So in which direction this force is acting, there is a very important rule: force, magnetic field and current. These three things are there: force, magnetic field and current. FBI, all these things are perpendicular to each other. Conductor is also kept in the perpendicular direction. So in which direction, this is known by the simple rule, Fleming left hand rule. What is the magnetic field line? We know the right hand thumb rule, like this. Thumb indicate the direction and this finger, turning of the finger indicate the direction of the magnetic field. If the thumb is this direction or in this direction, which direction current, that direction thumb, and right hand you hold like this. But in this there is a Fleming has given the left hand rule. So all the fingers, only two fingers and one thumb will be used. It is called the Fleming left hand rule. All is stretched at 90 degree like this. So this indicate, thumb indicate the force. If it is there, then you will get the thumb. Middle finger indicate the direction of the current. Thumb indicate the direction of the magnetic field. No, the thumb indicate the direction of force acting on it. It is the direction of magnetic field. Index finger is always acting as a direction of index. Here I have written index finger direction of magnetic field. Thumb indicate the force and this middle finger indicate the current. So you will put this accordingly. Like in this experiment, there is a wire AB and current is coming from this side to this side and magnetic field is in this direction. So one thing is magnetic field in up direction, so by the figure, and the current is in this direction. So what will you get? Magnetic field in this direction, current in this direction. Then what result you will get? It is your this. When it will be there like this, then what are you getting? You will put your finger like this. Magnetic field in this direction. This, it is the current, it is the magnetic field, and this is inside, where it is moved in inward direction. Magnetic field is here. So by the Fleming left hand rule, it means it towards the inside. Like this you can see, it is a, and there is a current. Like this it is kept. So when the current is coming from this direction to this direction, and this indicate the which it is indicating that north pole. North pole means magnetic field from this to this. So magnetic field will be this. Like this you are seeing. Magnetic field this direction upward and the current carrying conductor is this direction. Then what are you seeing? You see where is direction of this field? You are seeing it is going inside. But when the current will be changed, current is change means when you see the current is changing, then what will happen? Suppose there is a current change. Current I am changing from A to B. A to B means it is in this direction. Current is, magnetic field is as it is. Magnetic field is as it is. Current in this direction. You see, current in this direction, magnetic field is upward direction. Then what are you getting? It is going outward. If the like this you are seeing, so what are you seeing? It is going outward direction. Magnetic field, current, then where thumb indicating? Thumb is indicating that you are outside. Where it indicate outward direction. Here current reverse, so the direction of the motion also reverse. Force acting on it will be also reverse. So in other case, by Fleming left hand rule you are getting this. Direction of the magnetic field same, but current is inward, so you will get. So it is depend on this. When the current is this direction or current in this direction. Just I have changed. Field is same. Field is same. But next case, by it A moves towards the outside. But when you are getting, in this case, I am changing, current is as it is what is in the beginning. Current was as it is what it was given in the beginning. B2A. Here also B2A. I am changing the magnetic field. S is coming down. Magnetic field means like this. You are getting the magnetic field like this. In this case, north side is upward direction. Means magnetic field is down. And the current is coming this side. What will be the motion? So, you are going, magnetic field is down, current is this. You see that? It is the position. Magnetic field is down. Magnetic field is down. And the current is as it is, what was earlier. Then what are you getting? My thumb is outward direction. In the my thumb is outward direction means what is here? It will move like this. It will move like this. Outward direction. So both the cases, here first case you are getting it is going in direction. Second case you are getting the direction of the field changes. Then the field Fleming left hand rule. A moves towards the outside. When you change the direction of the field, here direction of field was down to top, here top to bottom. You can put like this also. If it is like this or like this, it depends on this, inside outside, or this side or this side. There is a two options. So you are getting this magnetic field. Now you will see here magnetism in the medicine. Magnetism in the medicine. And electric current always produces a magnetic field. That you know. Electric current, even weak ions current that travels along the nerve cell in our body produces a magnetic field. So that's why inside also, when we touch the something, our nerves carry the electric impulse to the muscles we need to use. This impulse produces the temporary magnetic field. And these fields are very big and are about 1/1000th of the Earth's magnetic field. Very small field is there. So, two main organs of the human body. So that's you are seeing the big nerves current and travel along the nerve cells in our body and produce the magnetic field. Two main organ of our human body is where the magnetic field produced is heart and brain. And there is a one very important magnetic equipment used in by the doctor, that is called MRI test. Magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging, magnetic MRI, which is very important, and analysis of these images help to medical diagnosis. Magnetism has thus got the important use in the medicines. That's why you can write a short note on it. So very important. Now we will see the electric motor. What is the electric motor? Electric motor is a very simple device, and it is totally based on, it is a device which is convert the electrical energy into the mechanical. Mechanical energy means it is moved. By electric motor you are seeing the water, lifting up the water, moving the fan, moving the motors, all the type of the tulip pumps and the table fan, any fan is there. So all the places it is used, it has a main part into the mechanical. Electric motor is totally based on this effect which you have just now finished. What else? Electric motor is based on the fact that the current carrying loop placed in a magnetic field has already experienced the force. Electric motor is based on the fact that current carrying loop or the conductor in magnetic field, when present, it produces a force. Due to that force, it will be pushed or pulled. It will be pushed or pulled, and that's why it is getting you like this here given. Main part of the electric motor is armature, coil, armature. There is that coil wire that you are seeing, armature, and you will get the armature like this, rectangular shape field. Rectangular shape, it is a armature. This armature you are getting, which is very simple, and you are seeing this. This is the armature, like this you are getting, and which is kept here. Like this it moves. Armature, rectangular shape, coil ABCD that you are seeing. Consists a large number of turns when you want to increase the capacity of the motor. Magnetic field you want, U-shape strong magnet you want, one north pole and then split ring, that two halves of the metallic ring which will be like this. Split ring, like this it will be moved. One half and this, there is a two carbon brushes that you are seeing here. You can see in this, there is a carbon brushes. It is a two carbon, one is this, there is a two brush. So you are getting this split ring, axle by which the spring ring is fixed and which is moved. Brushes, pair of carbon are the copper brush, that is B1 and B2, both the side brush. And this is the armature. And then you will get battery by which it will be moved. Electric supply you can get here. So these things is apparatus like this. It is a split ring, and split rings just reverse the order. What are you seeing here? Commutator. It is a device that reverses the direction of the flow of current through the circuit, anti-clockwise and the clockwise. That you are seeing. So when this is current going in this, you are seeing when the current pass through this. Now you see, according to Fleming left hand rule, it is a north, it is south, so the all the magnetic field is this. It is your magnetic field. It is your magnetic field, but current is going from this to this direction. Wrong. So what I learned? You are getting this. It is your figure. It is your figure or not? What are you getting? Finger is showing this current this direction. It is showing the magnetic field. Then where it will be pushed? It will go in the downward, anti-clockwise. And then when it will go downwards like this, then what will you get? It will come like this. When it will come like this, then what will you get? At once it will come up and it is going down. Like this, it will move like this. When it goes, then its current will be cut off. When it is cut off, then what will you get? Just it, due to the inertia, it will go down, and it is touches the B1, touches the, this B2 will come at the place of B1 and B1 will go that side. Same process again. Here what will you get? It is the direction of the current here. Here the magnetic field is this. What are you getting? Magnetic field in this direction, direction of current is change. Magnetic field is same here on CD. And direction of current change, so it will come up. So CD will come up, AB will come down, and due to this it will be moved. Power of the motor you can see, commercial motor if when you want, what will you get? Power of motor increase. At the places of permanent magnets, use at the place of electromagnet. Large number of the turns of the conducting wires. Large number of turns of the conducting wire. At the place, what is large number of this conducting wire you can change, you can put the large number, and if you want to increase it, a soft iron can be core on which the coil wounded. At the place of this soft iron you take, and then you can increase the commercial unit. Uses of the motors are there: fans, electric cars, and the record players, tape recorders, hair dryer, etc. Very small toys, some electric toys are also there. So it is a very common that you have seen electric motor. So electric motor, the commercial motor is used these things. If you want to commercial motor, the split rings acts as a commutator. Commutator, you know, commutator is what just now I have told you, the reversal of the current to reverse the direction of the force acting on the two arms AB and CD. Commutator is used. That's why it is this. Just now it is going to another. CD is coming in the touch of this. B1 go this side and it go that side. That's why commutator, just half the current is changing in every place. That's why commutator is used here. So like this you have finished the motor. Next we will discuss the electromagnetic induction, EMI, in the next topic. That's all for today.